fully pregnant. Kim Kardashian posted a beautiful nude pregnancy photo on Instagram to show off her growing baby boy. Kim is sick of people accusing her of faking her pregnancy, so she said, "F it, I'm posing naked." There's no faking that baby bump. Kim silenced all the haters when she posted this photo on Instagram for the world to see that yes, she is actually pregnant and is not secretly using a surrogate. Kim posted a lengthy caption to set the record straight, saying, quote, "First, they say I'm too skinny, so I have to be faking it. Now they say I'm too big, so I have to be faking it. SMH. Some days I'm photographed before I eat and look smaller. Some days I've just eaten and I look bigger. It's all a part of the process. I think you all know me well enough to know I would document the process if I got a surrogate. Everyone's body is different. Every pregnancy is very different." Kim went on to say, "I'm blessed to even be pregnant and even luckier to not have preeclampsia as far as I know, so I don't have the swelling issue this time. They also say your body carries a boy different than a girl. Whatever the case may be, I'm grateful to God for this miracle, and no matter what rumors or comments you throw my way this time, they truly don't affect me. Hashtag no filter, hashtag no Photoshop, hashtag good lighting." Preach, Kim. Good for her for standing up for herself and for the courage to pose nude with her baby bump. Then again, Kim's no stranger to showing off her birthday suit, but I still give her kudos because she looks beautiful. What do you guys think of what Kim had to say about the haters commenting on her pregnancy? Sound off in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and then click right on over here to check out the latest episode of Debatable, where the most underrated Kardashian is determined. Thanks for watching Clevver News. I'm Misty Kingma, and I'll see you next time. For more debatable in your life, click to the left for the debate on the craziest WTF VMA moment, or click to the right to see which celeb has the most husband potential.